So if I lost all of my makeup today, I would run to Sephora and purchase all these products first. So we're gonna do a full face of makeup tutorial with these products. So without further ado, let's just get into it. For my foundation, and this is actually a newly purchased product, but I am loving this. I'm loving how easily it blends out and how it's a great match for me. This is the Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF 15. This product, I think I love this product just because it's a perfect match for me, and also it blends out with no fuss, and you can blend it out with your brush or your sponge. I'm going to use my sponge today, my beauty blender. As you can see, this is a perfect match for me. Look at this. It's beautiful. It looks very skin-like. It's not too thick. It's not cakey. And it just looks amazing on my skin. And for my concealer, I would run to get my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer. This guy here. A little bit of this product goes a long way, and I'm actually running low a little bit of this product, and I need to get a backup. And I'm gonna distribute this with my sponge as well. Okay, my base is looking all good and seamless, as you guys can see. And for my bronzer, I picked my Physicians Formula bronzer in the original shade, this guy here. And I'm gonna distribute that with my Bobbi Brown bronzer brush. This is a very neutral bronzer. It's not too orangey or not too dark. It just goes perfectly with my skin tone. And for my eyebrows, I opted for my Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel. This applies perfectly, and it gives a little bit of a dimension to my brows. And it's no fussy. And for my blush, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to tell you what blush this is because the label is totally rubbed off. But this is a MAC blush. This is a very neutral brownie, it has a brownie undertone. It's a very nice blush, and it goes with pretty much every eye look that I do. And I'm gonna distribute that with my Fenty 215 face brush. A little bit on my nose as well. And for my highlighter, I opted for matte cream base color. This is in the shade Hush, I think. Again, the label is totally rubbed off because I can tell you what it is. But this is a cream highlighter, and it goes really well with every eye look and every I usually apply my highlighter after my bronzer and not before my blush, but today is one of those days where I got lazy and I'm applying it after my blush. But that's okay because this is a very natural looking highlighter. And if I lost all of my eyeshadows, I would go ahead and pick up my Natasha Denona Biba palette. This is very well loved, as you can see. It's looking a little dirty, but I'm going to take the shade called Freckle first, and I hit pan on this a while ago. I'm going to use this shade to apply onto my crease. And this is very pigmented. The next thing I'm going to do is to take a Zoeva 231 and I'm going to dip into this shade Seed, and I'm going to deepen up my outer upper lash line. And then with my first brush, I'm going to blend everything out. And then with the shader brush, I'm going to take the shade Shine right here. And I'm just going to put that on my lid. And then I'm going to blend everything out with my first brush again. Just very lightly. And with a shader brush again, I'm going to take the shade Freckle and also a little bit Seed. And I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Mostly my outer lower lash line. Now let's apply some mascara. I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Let's do a second coat because I'm running low on this mascara. I don't usually need a second coat of any mascara, any decent mascara that I use, but since I'm running super low on this mascara, I feel like a second coat is way to go. So this is the eyes, and let's move on to the lips. For the lips, I'm going to be using my MAC in the shade Soar. And then for my lipstick, I'm going to be using my Meet Matte Huge's Long Lasting Lipstick. This is from the Balm. And I think this is in the shade, let's see, Charming. And I love this lipstick because it stains and it doesn't settle into my lip lines. Alright guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I feel like if I lost all of my makeup in my collection, I would run to Sephora and purchase these products. And a couple of them are actually from the drugstore, but most of them are higher end products. So if I lost all of my collection, then these are the products that I would go ahead and repurchase right away, just like that, with no doubt. So if you like these contents, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!